Yes. Hmm. 13. Yes. 28. What is the matter, this one? Okay. On the prayer of Mr. Deepangi Learned Council for the petition, list this matter after 3 weeks.
To mention item number 20, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
In this matter, we are going to file affidavit on behalf of respondent number 1 into Your Lordship.
Hmm.
So at least
Yes.
previous time may be granted, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of MS Pipang Learned State Council, list this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable her to file the response on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Oh, yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes. Why? Hmm? Hmm. There's so many battery of government lawyers are there. What's there? Yes. Item 26.
Your Lordship, in this matter, government advocate Y. Ram is appearing in this matter.
Hmm.
He's under medical issue, Your Lordship.
Next week, you do arrange
Okay, next week, Your Lordship.
on the prayer of as executed by the Learned Council for the parties. Let this matter be listed for hearing after a week.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Hmm. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so Learned Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Thama, Learned Council to the petitioner, on the ground that Mr. Thama has some personal difficulty. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. Why specifically? Then will not adjourn. Why? Okay. List on third.
Lordship, I have no objection.
30 July. On the prayer of so-and-so, then consider the petitioner list this matter after 4 weeks. Okay. Mr. Your name, please. Learned Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. C. Modi, Learned Council for the petitioner, submits that he has an instruction not to press this writ petition. Accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed as not pressed.
Withdraw, my lord. Praying for it, matter, my lord.
Okay, submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. Please accordingly. Writ petition stands withdraw, closed, disposed of on withdrawal.
My lord, I'd like to mention item number 10, my lord.
10.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
I think council is having some personal difficulties.
Yes, otherwise also this will be dismissed.
No.
On the prayer, Mr. Diado,
Yes.
Learned Council body release this matter after 4 weeks.
My lord, matter may be fixed on my lord witness demand.
Hmm?
Matter may be fixed on witness demand.
3 weeks.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6.
Hmm.
You know, the Learned Council.
Want to withdraw?
No.
Last time also.
Your Honor, the Learned Council, BRO, has filed a letter of absence also.
Doesn't make a
Due to the
difference. Huh?
medical difficulties.
Okay.
His wife is being admitted at the hospital.
Mr.
and Roma,
so and so, N. Rama,
and Roma.
N. Roma, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. You are also here in this matter.
I,
Your name is also here,
no, Your Honor.
appearing on behalf of Mr. B. or learned counsel for the petitioner. On the ground that Mr. Arun has,
2 weeks.
B. Arun has some personal difficulty due to medical problem. Come on, list this matter, after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
May Lordship, Lordship, with the consent of opposition, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship. Lordship, here I'm referring on behalf of Senior Standing Counsel Tavatagam, Education Department. Due to health issue, he is out of station, Lordship. Matter may fix after 3 weeks,
On the
Lordship.
prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, learned standing counsel, Education Department, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, one more, item number 10, Lordship.
10,
Yes, Lordship. This matter may fix on 30th
10
of
already,
this month, Lordship.
10 already adjourned. Already adjourned.
My lord, item number 9, my lord. My lord, item number 9.
9.
My lord, I have to file a reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 to 9. Department.
3 weeks time is granted on the prayer of Mr. Odugo, learned counsel for petitioner, to file affidavit in reply.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24
Hmm.
on behalf of Standing Counsel RD.
Yes.
BP
on the
Chair.
prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. BP Chair, learned standing counsel. Use this letter after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May I pay your lordship, my lord?
After 1 year, section 20.
Yes, my lord. Just, but my lord, it was forwarded on last page 77,
Ah,
14/11/2024.
1411.
Yes, man, by the deputy commissioner.
Heard Mr. S.K. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner. This application under section 12, Contempt of the Courts Act 1971, read with section, article 215 of the Constitution of India. And contempt of the courts, Guwahati High Court, page 1, so and so. Alleging deliberate and willful of disobedience of the deliberate and willful disobedience and non-compliance of the judgment and order dated 21/03/2024, passed in WPC number 2 of 2023. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Allow counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice, so and so, all. Lots of mistake.
Yes,
WC, page 2,
yes,
WCC. What is WCC?
sorry, man. Applies.
Lordship, on last occasion, notice was not issued questioning my locus standi, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So I would like to take the reference of this constitution book by Durga Das Basu, Your Lordship. So I may be allowed to read out, Your Lordship. The concept of locus standi is inapplicable in a quo warranto proceeding, Your Lordship. So where the application challenges the validity of an appointment to a public office, it is maintainable at the intent of any person, Your Lordship.
But you have already challenged the appointment in WPC 26.
Yes,
No, 160.
yes, yes, Your Lordship. That is different.
Then what is this? What is this? What is this? What is the prayer in this petition? You have already challenged the appointment of the respondent number 4 in 160.
No, Your Lordship, that is different person, Your Lordship, and this is different person.
This is different. person.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Then I put the respondent number 1.
Hmm.
We are only part.
Well, just issue notice, nothing
Right.
else. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Challenge made in this writ petition is to the appointment order. Where it is? Where is the appointment order?
Yes, Lordship. That's it. Annexure 10, Your Lordship,
Page
61,
51.
61, Your Lordship.
61. Is to the offer of appointment. This is, what is the appointment order? Offer of appointment dated 07/06/2023. In favor of Dr. Santanu Chatterjee as assistant professor. As what? Assistant professor grade 1, Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT, Arunachal Pradesh, by the Director, NIT, Arunachal Pradesh, on the ground that the, what is the ground of challenge?
Your Lordship, he is illegally appointed, Your Lordship.
On the ground of appointment being, on the ground of illegality. Please issue notice returnable by 4 weeks since Mr. M. Kato. All are represented.
No, my lord, only respondent number 1, ma'am.
Learned DSGI, GI,
I am here on behalf of G. Lowell and 160.
and so, for not here, not in this,
No, no.
no formal notice need be served. But extra copies be furnished to the learned deputy and learned DSGI. The petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 227.
7.
Registered for so. Huh?
Much of that, Lord.
List. List the matter after 4 weeks along with WPC 160 of 2025. What about 160?
160, my lord, here also, my lord, I am for the respondent number 1, my lord.
You are not filing affidavit.
My lord, affidavit will be not required.
In that case, in item 60, you write 160, item 2, item 3. Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel on the prayer of learned counsel, learned prayer of Mr. Learned Deputy, learned DSGI and Mr. So-and-so for NIT AP. Further 3 weeks time is granted for filing affidavit.
My lord, here also our affidavit may not be required is because everything has been handled by the, my lord, the other respondent, NIT, AP, my lord.
Yeah, you see, list along with, list the matter along with 283 of 2020. W plus.
Reply.
Much of that.
Yes.
May I please, your lord?
Yes.
My lord, this is matter pertaining to the impugned NIT issued by the respondent number 4, by which, my lord, that technically I am debarred to participate in the tender process, my lord.
How?
My lord, what happened? That after NIT, lordship will find the impugned NIT at page number, my lord, 34, my lord.
Upgraded some Yamsa 88.
Yes,
but
madam.
Nirmal by 88. Yes.
And my lord, my lord, may kindly peruse the, my lord, the other rest part, my lord, I'll not go through, my lord, the column last part. Second, my lord, serial number 1.
Intending bidders shall read the terms, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
Period of the availability of the online bid and the oblique date and date and time of online bid submissions and the date of time of the are given below, my lord. My lord, available tender 30th June 2025, my lord.
It's already over.
Yes, my lord.
Now it's over. Everything is
My lord,
over.
I'll come to the point, my lord.
Hmm.
And the last date of my lord submission is, lordship will find it,
18/7.
14/7/2025, my lord.
Date and time of opening. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now, my lord, may kindly see, my lord, serial number 5.
Hmm.
The bids can be deposited before the specified by paying the cost of the bidding documents non-refundable in case of Rs 10,000, rupees 10,000 along with EMD and other original documents to the Executive Engineer Yamsa Division PWD from 30th June 2025 to 5th July, madam. 5th July 2025, madam. During the office hour at the specified opening place for the work listed in the tender, madam. Madam, the effective date is 30th June 2025 to 5th June, madam. Whereas last date of submission is 14, madam. Lordship has already seen in the column box, madam. In the column. Wherein, madam. Now, madam, the original documents has to be submitted before the, madam, the last date of submission, madam. Much ahead of the, madam, the last date of submission, madam. So, madam, irony is on which date, madam, on which period. This is basically for a period of 5 days, madam.
7 days. 30 to 6.
30 to
5.
5, madam.
7 days.
Madam, it was published 30th, on 30th itself, the press release was published. Madam, this press NIT was published, madam. But technically, madam, it is from the 1 to 5th, madam. Now, madam, on 1 to 5th, madam, I went to the office of the, madam, the executive engineer to, madam, the submit the, madam, processing fees as well as, madam, the EMD, madam, along with the original documents, madam. But, madam, unfortunately, the executive engineer, he remained absent from 30th to 5th, madam, for which, madam, my processing fees and EMD in original has not been received, madam. That is my case, madam. Madam, when the last date of submission is fixed on 14.
See,
But-
why you need to meet the executive engineer? The office of the executive engineer would be enough.
Madam,
Office is closed for 5 days.
yes, no, madam, if office was open, but the executive engineer has to process, madam, he is the tendering authority, madam. Executive engineer is the tendering authority. He has
All
to,
right. The office of the executive engineer will process whatever is there.
madam, therefore, madam, lordship may kindly again come to page number. This is the, madam, the only technical, madam, technically I am divided, madam. Page number 68, madam, annexure 8, madam. Madam, two junior engineers were assigned the duty for the receiving of the application and the processing fee along with the other, madam, the original documents, including EMD, madam. But the officer, madam, the junior engineer has given this declaration. Madam, may I take your lordships to the type copy, page number 69.
Yes.
We the undersigned had been assigned the work of receiving the processing fee and the earnest money deposit from the tender bidding for the work upgradation of so and so, duly after application and tender documents have been verified by the executive engineer PWD division. But, madam, due to absence of the concerned authority, the person assigned or assigned for receiving and forwarding the applications could not provide us with the said application, and that is why we unable to receive the processing fee and the EMD from MS, Malad. This is the petitioner end.
But
Malad-
due to absence of concerned authority.
Concern
Person
authority meaning the
assigned.
Malad, executive engineer, Malad. He is the tendering authority, Malad. He has to initiate, then after Malad, the processing fees, once it is accepted, Malad, I'll be able to Malad upload in the website, Malad. Online bidding, Malad.
But due to
This has been-
absence of the concerned authority, the person assigned for receiving and forwarding the application could not provide us with the said application.
Malad, this declaration has been given by
And
junior engineer, Malad.
We unable to receive the processing fee and what does it mean?
Malad, it means, Malad, the processing fees has not been received and it has not been initiated, though, Malad, they have received the application fees, Malad. And number, Malad, this is the executive junior engineer declaration given by the junior engineer, Malad. Another, Malad, declaration, page number 71, Malad, type copy, Malad. Not only, Malad, one junior engineer, Malad. Altogether, 3 junior engineers have given, Malad, this declaration.
What's happening?
Your Lordship is aware, my lord, in the e-tendering, my lord, after uploading some documents are to be given hard copy, my lord. Now, EMD is to be produced in hard copy, my lord. So when we say EMD, this is the shoal of the NIT, my lord. Now, as per the allegation, my lord, they says, my lord, the executive engineer, my lord, remain absent from the office, but he does not receive the tender document, but assigned officer, sir, my lord. Now, last time, my lord, as per the Honorable Court directives, my lord, we tried to contact the executive engineer. We got the number, but he did not pick up, my lord. Then again, my lord, we contacted the OSHI, my lord, because FIR has been lodged against the, my lord, executive engineer, my lord, making some allegation, my lord. So as per, my lord, that preliminary report given by IO, my lord, it says, my lord, detailed investigation is completed and the executive has been released on PR bond, my lord. And further detail, my lord, furnishes, my lord.
Relating to tender.
Yes, my lord, relating to tender, my lord. So it seems, my lord, the executive engineer on release on PR bond, my lord. That is the information given by the IO, my lord.
Where is the have you annexed the FIR?
Yes, man.
FIR is there, my lord.
Yes, man. Malad, having, Malad, no option, Malad, we made this, we filed FIR before the, Malad, page number 74, Malad. FIR before the officer in charge, police station Yamsa, Malad, page number 74, annex 10, Malad. This is the, Malad, filed by the petitioner, Malad. And, Malad, basing on this FIR, Malad,
What is to be done?
Malad, basing on this, Malad, someone was
Malad-
issued, Malad. It is very much clear, Malad.
Until unless, my lord, I get the entire, my lord, investigation report or, my lord, I could
So
catch
we
up the
need to
executive
notice-
engineer, my lord.
Notice.
Malad, in the meantime, Malad, the
Then
interim
we'll have to
protection.
stay the proceedings,
My lord,
tender process.
status code till returnable debt, my lord. In the meantime, let me try to catch this executive engineer, my lord. He is the, my lord, right person to tell us what happened.
Okay.
Malad-
Mr.
Malad, this will be in prejudice, Malad, they will offend everything, Malad. Therefore, Malad, this is.
I think in view of this criminal proceedings, I
Malad.
mean, the investigation pendency, I think most probably tender might not have been proceeded further,
Yes,
My lord.
might not have been proceeded further.
Could be, my lord, because if you lordship see the, my lord, technical opening date, it's long time back, my lord. Anyway, fine.
FIR is 6/7.
yes,
Six,
Malad.
7, yes,
Your last opening is 15.
15, my lord.
Will stay the process.
Till
Still returnable.
returnable.
It's not it's difficult. Heard Mr. M. Kato, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. Aris Nabab, learned additional advocate general for the state. Response. The challenge made in this writ petition is to the tender process initiated by NIET, huh? NI small e.t, huh? Capital T. Dated 13/06/2025, issued by the Executive Engineer, Yamcha Division PWD for construction of upgradation of Yamcha ADC headquarters to Lirmoba EAC headquarters HQ, huh? Road under CMSRDF-Roman 2 on the ground that despite the on the ground that the on the grounds that the time specified for submission of bidding documents, obtaining of bidding documents and submission of EMD is not sufficient, is not a reasonable time. And the executive engineer, due to absence of executive engineer on a date fixed for submission of obtaining the tender documents, bidding documents and the EMD, the petitioner has been debarred from participating in the tender process. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
My lord, can it be 2 weeks because
2
your
weeks.
lordship will be staying the proceeding?
Yes,
My
yes.
lord, urgent will be there.
2 weeks. Mr. Since all the respondents,
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord, right
Since
now
the-
all the
since
response.
Oh, sorry, not my lord. Two private respondent, madam.
okay, then you have to take steps.
Yes, madam, I will
Uh,
take a step. My lord, in that case, madam,
Since
4 weeks time will be
Mr.
granted.
Nabab Leonard, Additional Advocate General, enters appearance. No, accepts, not entered, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2,
1 to 4, my lord, will be represented by the
1
state.
to
5, 6, my lord.
5 and 6 private respondent. madam.
no formal notice, Bishop.
My lord,
Extra copies be furnished to the land
Madam.
council body.
my lord.
Let them take.
My lord, 5 is the executive engineer, then 6 is the assistant engineer by name, my lord,
My name,
by
madam.
name.
They have role, my lord.
The land council body principals to take steps for service of notice of respondent number 5 and 6. 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Yes. Within 2 days, where is the first answer?
Madam.
Huh? Considering that the next paragraph, considering the statement and the submissions, considering the submissions of learned counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner has made an attempt to submit his bid and along with EMD. When did you try to submit?
My lord, on 2 occasions, my lord. 3 and 4, my lord.
On 0307
My lord.
and 04/07/2025 before the executive engineer Yamcha Division, who stated to have been remain absent, and the declaration made by the junior engineers that due to absence of the executive engineer, the documents and bidding documents, bid documents and the EMD could not be accepted and process of the petitioner could not be accepted and processed. Come on, till the returnable debt. The tender process of NIT that the NIET dated 30/06/2024 still remain suspended.
Till returnable debt.
Ah,
Your Lordship.
till return back.
Malad, may I pray that returnable date may be more for 4 weeks, Malad. In the meantime, Malad, we'll take a step.
4
private
weeks?
action.
No, is tender matter.
Tender, but
2 weeks.
we'll see after 2
Malad, we'll
weeks.
take a
You
step
take
of-
Dusty also in that case.
Malad.
Dusty also. Hold
Malad, it will be again difficult to find out executive engineer. Still, he is not available in the station, Malad, as per the information.
Are you, is there executive engineer is beyond this world?
Malad.
Let us try to find it out.
You can catch him even if he's in the space.
Malad. We'll be able-
Please, ma'am.
Yes.
My lord, here I am challenging the action of the respondent commission, my lord, in exercising a jurisdiction.
Where is that regulation?
Regulation, my lord, that manual is at
Manual.
page 6.
Ah.
It starts from page 46.
Yes.
Page 46 and my lord, the relevant portion is at page 58, man. Action against a candidate found adopting unfair means.
58.
58, 58. Close 14, man.
Action, yes.
It is, my lord, the relevant would be at D, my lord. Close D.
D.
Small d, my lord.
In all the cases where.
In all
any
cases
banned
where any
items such
banned
as
items such as a
mobile
mobile phone, Bluetooth, or any other electronic communication device or any other incriminating materials, so and so is found in possession of the candidate during conduct of the examination, following actions may be taken by the examination functionary in said venue. And these are the, my lord, the materials, steps, my lord, what is to be followed, my lord. That material has to be confiscated, my lord, firstly. Then number 2, the matter must be brought to the notice of the center superintendent, assistant center superintendent, and APPSC control room immediately. 3 is it should be forwarded to the commission along with the observation of the invigilators, my lord. So and so, my. 4 is after consulting the APPSC control room, if so advised, an FIR police complaint may be lodged with the local.
That has
police.
been done in other earlier examination. That has been done against you.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
That was done. My lord, that the only that if your lordship would come to serial number 7, Roman 7, my lord, down below, my lord, on the same page 59.
Further action against the said candidate may be taken as per the rules.
Before that, my lord, 7, my lord. For the further, the said candidate must not be allowed to appear in subsequent days of the examination, if so directed by. Meaning here, my lord, it is, if there has to be direction, and it will be for that particular examination only. Now, other than this, there is nothing is there, my lord. And there is another act, my lord, that was in 2024, my lord, that
Further action against the said candidate may be taken as per rules by the commission.
rules
Further
by the
action
commission.
can
Yes,
be
my lord.
taken.
I have inquired, but there is no other rules than this, man. The manual for conduct of the examination. And why, my lord, from the so cause notice, my lord, I will try to show, my lord, that this action which is being initiated against me, my lord, it is not under this manual, my lord. It is under the act, my lord. If your lordship would come to the so cause notice, my lord, at page 39.
Yes. This is the impugn.
Yes, this I have also
Impugn
impugned.
notice.
Yes, my lord. This I
Yeah.
have also replied also, my lord. Otherwise, so
Hmm.
my lord, first, second, third, fourth para, my lord. Now, therefore, you are hereby so caused as to why you should not be debarred from taking any public examination in future. Your written explanations should reach the APPSC on or before 24th July 2025. my lord.
Hmm.
Now, why I say, my lord, it is not under the manual, because when they say any public examination, my lord,
Hmm.
that public examination, that word is not even mentioned in the manual. That public examination, the definition is only under the Act, my lord, of 2024, my lord. That is at page 64, my lord, that Act is there.
64.
64, my lord.
Yes.
Section 2, my lord, explanation, definition, my lord. And it is at page 65. Section 2, JKL, my lord, public examination, my lord. Public examination means examination for the purpose of recruitment to any post under the state government, including autonomous bodies, so and so. Here only in this act only we find the definition and the explanation for public examination. The word itself, public examination.
Where it is? Page 65.
65, the definition, man.
Hmm.
Public examination. This word is, my lord, totally absent in the manual. Manual for conduct of examination.
Public examination means examination for the purpose of recruitment to any post under the state government, including autonomous bodies.
And as per this act, my lord, I can be debarred only on conviction, man.
Where it is?
At section 14, my lord, at page 67, man. Debarment down below, man, page 67. Section 14, my
Yes.
debarment on conviction. Any who has been convicted of an offense under provisions of this act shall be debarred from taking any public examination in future.
An examinee who has been convicted of an offense under provision of this act shall be debarred from taking. Yes.
And the so cause itself says why I should not be debarred from taking any public examination in future. Man. So meaning thereby that provision that which is so to be implemented is under this act only, man. Because the public examination it is not defined under the manual. And as of now, the charge sheet has been filed and trial has not even yet started. And in fact, my lord, that
Charge sheet has been filed under which section?
under this act only,
Under
section
this act.
12, section 12.
Okay.
Initially, it was registered under the BNS for cheating.
What about your, what about the result of your reply?
Nothing has happened, my lord.
Yes, sir.
And my exam is on 27 this Sunday, man.
The game is still on. In fact, they are right because this order has not been provided to them. It has passed yesterday only. So replying to her reply,
There's a rule, 2019 rule.
Yes, my lord, I have just. received,
Rule also has been provided
my
here.
lord. The rule has been quoted, my lord. Rule has been-
So,
My lord, no, my lord, but if your lordship would see, firstly, that my lord would say that, that so cause notice itself, it mentions about the public examination, whether it is not mentioned here. I've got just had a glance, my lord. It is not mentioned. That's why I have, my specific case is that when you say that public, it is mentioned only in the act, meaning thereby that you are,
they have the
Yes.
power under the rules.
my lord, power under this. And another thing, my lord, Rule 11, when they say a candidate who is or has been declared by the commission to be guilty, my lord, meaning there has to be some, at least some inquiry, my lord. Now that the incident
There was a
happened,
commission- there was a committee was constituted, inquiry was done,
no, my lord,
everything has been done.
nothing, my lord. They have filed an FIR, my lord. Of course,
And
that
admittedly, more so, you have said you have taken the mobile phone. Maybe
of course, my
by
lord,
mistake.
I admit, my lord.
They have constituted a committee. Committee has submitted the report.
That, my lord, committee has submitted, but I am not aware of it, my lord. I have not been inquired about, informed of anything, my lord. Now that incident happened in December 2024, man. On 18th of this July, man. Just 1 week before the exam, they give me the so cause notice, man. At least when they say that commission has to be declared to be guilty, man, there should be some at least minimum procedure, man. That cannot be a unilateral process, man. At least to my understanding, my lord. And circumstances leading to this, my lord, that I have mentioned in the writ petition. I am not a normal person, my lord. I am a my lord, locomotor. I have locomotor disability, my lord. I am using wheelchair also, my lord. It was a mistake, my lord, but all things, at least when they say that the rules, when they mention this rule 11, my lord, they cannot just do this behind my back, at least. And all this time they were silent, my lord, and just during this exam only, my lord. 1 week before the exam, they give me this notice, my lord, a so cause notice. Last 7-8 months, they were silent. At least they could have given me the opportunity, man.
No, rule provides for that opportunity which you have been given. Giving the candidate an opportunity, representation in writing as he wishes to make in that behalf. So you have to challenge this.
Yes, my lord. I have been, this is just passed today only, my lord. That's why I'm
What
saying,
can we
that,
do?
my lord, that rule,
You have been given, provided the opportunity, notice was given.
only
And
on
rules-
18th,
Yes,
my lord.
by 24th,
My lord.
right? You have submitted the plan that has been considered. And
My lord,
until
that-
unless you challenge this, you cannot.
My lord, that has
Rules
been,
also provide for opportunity to file representation. That has
My
been
lord,
done.
that is why my lord I'm saying is that this has
See,
only
it's
been
not
done
done
after.
on the, I mean, it is done under the rules.
My lord. It
Rules
seems
provides
so,
for
it
that.
seems so, my lord, that I have just received this copy also, my
You
lord.
have to challenge that. No.
Of course, I will challenge this also, my lord. But here is a case, my lord, that,
See, that will be, if we allow you to participate, right?
my lord,
Having all these documents,
Right.
that will be against the rules.
it's against the
Wrongly
rule,
or rightly, they have applied the rules,
my lord, that
2019 rules.
2019 rules, of course, it's there, that it says so, but what, since this has been furnished to me just now also,
What
ma'am.
can we
Even going to the rules also, I'm saying that when it says that it has to be, declaration has to be made, ma'am, whether the declaration case be unilateral,
I
my lord.
thought if they have not decided, we would have direct them to allow you to participate. But once they have passed the order under the rules, what
Under
can
the
we do?
rules, it seems so, my lord, but the manner
Rules-
in which,
rules is
my
also
lord, I'm
there.
just,
You can see the.
I
rules.
I've seen, I've received the order also, my lord, but I'm just saying that the manner in which it has been done, my lord, can it be so arbitrary, my lord?
No,
We'll put this to challenge also, my lord. Of course, we just, as we have received a copy
opportunity has
now.
been provided to you. By you have given you, then we cannot stop them for state until that the decision of the commission.
Man.
We cannot tell them not to take any decision.
My lord, will then see also that, but for the last 8 months, they kept quiet, my lord, and only at the, just days before the exam, my lord, they come up with this, my lord. Now I do not even have the opportunity to put this to challenge also, my lord.
But charge sheet has already been filed
Charge sheet has been filed.
and you have admitted that
Charge
you
sheet
have
has-
carried the mobile, which
That-
is in contravention of the rules and the act.
But at least even then, my lord, when I don't know what this rule says as such, because I have just received now, my lord, whether they can proceed unilaterally, my lord, behind my back, my lord. At least when I am being affected, I should be given revenue some, at least, my lord.
Otherwise, you are eligible.
Otherwise, I'm eligible.
Everything's
my lord.
ready.
I am a person, my lord, handicap, despite
Other
the-
than this,
That instruction I have, I don't,
allegations,
that instruction I don't have.
other the criteria, the documents, everything is correct.
They
Uh,
have-
no,
Can you allow
In
to
fact,
participate?
that
saying, my lord, that let,
I have no commitment on that because the copy was given. I found the copy in the afternoon,
Hmm.
and then by I mean, I pass on to them. So they have given me those documents.
Because
So
it's
that is the thing. So
the
without the
exam is-
instruction, without the
it's
instruction, I have-
only a preliminary exams on 27.
27 exams there.
It's the prelims. It's a
No,
preliminary exam only.
no, this is that other exam, my lord. This is for the engineering service exam.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yes,
27 is
27 on Sunday, my lord.
this is what exam?
This engineering service exam, or
Yeah,
natural
that's what I'm
engineering,
saying.
it
It's
doesn't
a-
say, my lord, prelims or nothing, my lord. It doesn't say so.
So no admit card, nothing.
So they have withheld, my lord, which I have also put to challenge also, my lord. My application, my lord.
It's difficult. They have acted under the rule.
That's that, my lord will see the manner in which they have acted also, my lord. My lord, let my lord, the petitioner appear, my lord. In the meantime, my lord,
Obviously,
It
we
can
we
be-
should notice. Problem is the interim order, interim prayer you are making. Once they've decided under the been not based on any rules or the act, better would have been different. But it's particular under the particular rule which provides so.
wait, but my lord, see the manner, no? This has been furnished today also, ma. The result, my lord,
that-
so cost notice they sent me
So-
on mail, my lord.
So for
But this,
party,
my lord,
so
report,
for
my lord,
punish of the document is litigants must be aware of all this.
Hmm.
That is not our duty, although I have furnished.
my lord,
The rules.
it is a person,
Yes,
my lord, who
these are
cannot
rules.
move, my lord.
That
I
Who has
rules
understand,
of 2019.
But my lord, this, the rules might be there, but they did not act upon it for so long, my lord. And now at this juncture, my lord, today, my lord, I could have put it to challenge had they done it earlier, my lord. The manner in which this is been done behind my back, my lord. I received the so-called notice on 18, my lord, in my mail. But as of now, I have not received this, my lord.
It's very difficult.
Of course, we will put this to challenge also, my lord. But what I'm praying today is, my lord, the manner in which
See,
this is being done.
allegation, this sort of these things have to be
At least there should be some sort of, my lord, formal inquiry also, at least there should be some proceeding, my lord.
proceedings they have done as per the rules. Notice was issued, you have been given an opportunity, they have examined, they
My
have
lord,
constituted a committee under the rules, as required under the rules.
under the rules, my lord, that committee formation also, that also I'm not aware, my lord. I'm not aware of anything, my lord.
Difficult. Unfair means
Unfair,
Cannot
this
be
of course
en-
subjective, my lord,
encouraged. Of
But-
course, you have not been
Man-
convicted, but then
man-
you have admitted prima facie.
Oh, my
Only ground is by mistake.
lord, that, of course, there's a situation is also different with me, my lord.
But it will send a wrong signal. It's deferred for 1 year only. Isn't it? Yes, only one.
It says
Deferment is for 1 year.
1 year, my lord. Of course, it says so, my lord.
Rather, such type of things should be should have a deterrent effect on the candidates. at
No, my lord.
large.
A person using, of course, I will not also vouch for a person who has resorted or adopted to unfair means.
Yes.
But this here is a case, it's a total different case. Different
Will issue
issue,
notice. Helpless.
because
1 year, right? Defer you for a period of 1 year from the date you received this order for 1 year. This has to be. We cannot
here,
indirectly encourage such type of
no, my lord. What,
act.
but it seems, my lord, there in the paragraph 3 also they have mentioned that they have mentioned constituted a committee also, my lord.
You challenge
But-
this, we'll
Yes,
see. We'll see.
But by that time, these exams would be
Exams
done,
will
my
be
lord.
there all the time.
Because, my lord,
It's not the only and last exam.
it is
Exams will come in, it will come,
it is there, of course, my lord.
but
But
it's very difficult.
this committee also, I am not aware, know of anything, my lord.
Individually, as a person, I feel for you. I'm with you. I understand, but might have done mistake by mistake. I understand, but law doesn't support you.
So, my lord, but when I say, when I go through this order, my lord, when they talk about this procedure and committee also, I am not aware of anything. That is the,
You challenge this. We'll
Difficult.
see.
but by this time, that exam would be
You
gone, my lord.
you wait for next exam. We'll decide the matter before 1 year.
Well, but
All right. It will, I think, give a wrong signal to the public, to the as-
this is a person, my
and
lord,
it
in
is
spite of,
based on law,
in spite of all
based on
her
rule,
adverse situations.
action as per the rules.
So
So,
that action as far as rules, my lord,
had
but-
you not been issued an so cause, one could have.
So of course, that's why, my lord, I'm saying that so cause was also issued only 2-3 days back.
It's all right. What can we?
That is the difficulty, my lord. The manner in which this has been done, my lord, in which I am being debarred. Committee also, nothing, I have no knowledge of this, nothing.
We'll see. Heard Mr.
Otherwise, then, my lord, this writ petition is basically for that purpose only, so
Ah,
it serves no purpose, my lord, keeping it pending also. Because
Then you-
what I'm praying is for,
then withdraw it.
allow me to,
No, that's why had they not decided as on today, we would have. The court would have allowed you to direct them to participate. But since they have taken a decision under the rules,
No.
until the time we decide this action, difficult. You challenge it.
of course,
Within
my lord,
1
I
year.
I will put this to challenge, of course, but by this time, I will miss the.
It's a one exam only.
One exam, my lord, but
There will
these exams, my lord, do not
There
come.
will be many exams in future.
Future, of course, it will be there, my lord, but of course, opportunities, it goes by, my lord. And in spite of all her adversities, my lord, she somehow completed a masters of in also
For the
technology
purpose-
also.
For the purpose of interim, you could have prevented them from passing this order. Immediately, we could have.
My lord, doing all this behind my back, I'm not aware of anything, man.
And on the lighter note, I'm saying, how can you prevent that? So, you challenge it, withdraw it, or if not, will issue just
Then, man,
withdraw. Withdraw.
Withdraw, my lord. This serves no purpose then, my
I
lord.
think so, because not inclined. I'm not pushing you, huh?
My lord,
But we're ready to issue notice, but then
because it serves no purpose.
you try for the next exams. I mean, challenge all this entire
Yes.
thing. Okay. That this okay, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to file afresh. Mr. Ayapang, learned senior counsel and standing counsel APPSC assisted by so and so is present. In view of the prayer for withdrawal is prayer for withdrawal is accepted. Accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of on withdrawal with the liberty as prayed for. Thirteen? Okay. Yes. Instruction with regard to the enforcement or notification of the act.
Yes, Lordship, I received this morning only from WRD.
Very strange. The legislature passed the act and you said it's a dormant.
Lordship,
And the implement enforcement of the act is due to financial
Lordship, I received
involvement
this.
of huge financial involvement.
Lordship, may I give a direction from,
Are these officers
the-
are aware of the law?
This is also, my lord, an
This is something
assumption,
very,
assumption on the part, could be, my lord.
it's a really bad test.
Lordship, but then, other than that, Lordship, keeping in view the
Anyway,
public,
on this,
public interest,
what
Lordship,
can we,
and then
what relief?
since we have
Lordship,
stated already that
I, yes, my lord, my lord, prayer also, my lord, on the last occasions also I have made, my lord. Since the verification report and the information furnished are the RTI or also not in tally, my lord. And this is a, their report, they have said something, my lord, but they have not said about the requirement by the petitioners or that area, my lord, that particular area, my lord. So my prayer is still would be, my lord, can some direction be, my lord, let some specialized person, my lord, that let them verify, do the verification, and at least some we villagers can also participate, my lord. That would, my lord, suffice, my lord. Even that committee also says that no, this is sufficient, but we cannot have any grievance, my lord. Because
They have already said so, sufficient
my lord,
order.
that is basic by the department itself, my lord. It is by the department. My lord.
Hmm.
Once in the RTI, my lord, the department says, my lord, information furnished to under RTI, my lord. They have told us that no survey was done, my lord. No, it's not available. No NOC was received, my lord. Nothing, my lord. No hearing with the downstream people, my lord. But in the this verification report, now they say after proper survey, this has been done, my lord. These are all mal contrary to the information furnished by the department itself, my lord. At page 7, my lord. It's the RTI reply, my lord.
37.
37.
Hmm. Hmm.
To so and so, my lord. This is by the PHE, my lord. One is a survey report is not available, my lord. Only the
Expert, who would be the expert
Lordship, here,
persons or expert body?
here, Lordship, in the PHE itself,
According to, because they said it's dormant, act is in dormant.
yes, it's a dormant, my lord. What I'm proposing, my lord, subject to what the learned council
You want
said.
that it should be verified. by the
Verified, my lord.
expert.
But yes, my lord, let there be a person from agriculture, my lord, PHE, water resource, my lord, from some specialized person, my lord.
But we're not stopping the
No, my lord, no.
scheme.
No, my lord.
Alright.
That I'm also not even praying for, my lord.
Okay, you verify and we'll constitute a committee
yes, Lordship.
and verify it. All right. We'll keep it pending or what? Or
It
dispose
can
of
be
the matter?
disposed, my lord. It can be disposed with
Okay,
this
sir.
direction, my lord.
I may pass some orders against this thing.
Yes,
Let
Lordship.
me say against this this instruction,
Yes, Lordship.
which may be adverse to the state. On the basis of your this thing,
Instruction, Lordship.
instruction. Merit will direct you to constitute the expert committee,
Lordship.
consist of the water resource,
Yes, the
PHE,
PHE, man.
agriculture, hotel. All right,
My lord.
and verify within 3 months.
Lordship, agriculture, we find horticulture may not be involved. Lordship. Too many departments will be.
Not horticulture.
Mm.
PHE,
PHE, agriculture, water resource.
Agriculture and
my lord,
water
that-
resource.
that will
Yes, that
suffice.
would be.
3. All right, merit on that, but so far as your instruction is concerned,
Yes, Lordship.
I'll
I
make some observation.
Lordship.
Let the officers know the rule of law, at least have some idea on the rule of. Let me see. Heard Mr. This okay, learned counsel to the petitioners. And also heard Mr. MS G at learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number
1 to 6, Lordship.
1 to 6. And Mr.
Oh, no.
On behalf of L1.
So and so for respondent number
7.
4 and
7.
7, Lordship.
4 and 7.
Will dispose it of, dispose it of, pass the order.
Obvious.
Obliged.
May it be, Lordship.
Yes.
The private respondent is also filed their affidavit today, Lordship. I have
Ah.
received it.
Ah.
So need some time to verify it.
Okay. Is there any stay?
No.
Operating?
There is no stay here, but in another case, there was some observation, my lord. That is why it is creating difficulties now. The
Which
PC
one?
was
Which
held
one?
yesterday.
Which one?
There's another case filed by some other persons.
Ah.
My
Same,
electronic-
same.
Same parties, yes.
Parties
Yeah.
not there. They are not.
Not same parties.
What is the observation there?
That there is no bar if the state goes ahead with the promotion of the 19 post that whose vacancy arose before the newly amended rules.
Acha.
That observation came, my lord.
In other matter.
Another matter.
Why this should be taken up together?
Yes, Lord.
That has to be taken together, my lord. The whole petition is misconceived. The rules are not under challenge. Rangaya has been overruled now.
So you want sometime to file reply?
I want some time to file reply.
Okay.
Check kar dega kya?
It is submitted by, no, the Mr. Deepang learned counsel for the respondents, private
Private
respondents. And Mr. Estapit, learned senior government for the state respondents. Have all, you have also filed, have filed their respective affidavits.
In the
Affidavits
IIM, my lord.
Huh?
In the IIM.
In IA, this is taken up,
Yes, the IA is for stay. I
Acha.
filed the objection in the IA.
What is there? We have already provided. It is a subject to outcome.
Yeah.
No, issue notice was issued.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
On the IA it was.
Okay.
In another case,
Ha.
this observations.
Acha.
There are two Melodraja cases.
Hmm.
One was observed that was outcome to the.
Why different two orders by the coordinate bench? Coordinate
I am
bench.
not aware, but I
This petition was filed earlier.
Huh?
This petition was filed earlier,
Ha.
and prayer was slightly different.
Ha.
But thereafter, the new rule came and we have to amend this petition, and after amendment, both the petition become similar also. But
That
still, there's some difference.
earlier, the other writ petition is filed
Also-
earlier than this.
Yes.
Earlier
No,
than the
no,
present.
no,
This is the earlier one.
This is earlier one.
So when you file that, that other writ petition, have you placed this order?
No.
Huh?
No lordship.
This is something you cannot do.
My lord, he did not appear in that case, Mr. Tony Patel, Samaj.
Yes. But you know, same client,
Yes, but that
Same
order,
person.
that observation is not passed in the case that my learned friend represents.
but the same person,
No. Different person.
Lordship,
different person.
Yes.
there are 5 cases in total, Lordship.
Hmm.
There are 2 cases, Lordship, where this same petitioner has filed, Lordship. This is the first writ petition where, Lordship, they have challenged some, Lordship, things, Lordship. And here, Lordship, the ultimate message is not challenged, Lordship, in this particular writ petition. But in another, second writ petition, they have challenged the Jolty message also, where Lordship NOC has been sought from the candidate. There, Lordship has passed an order, Lordship, that it will be subject to outcome the writ petition. Now, then they file IA in this present writ petition. This
For
is the
stay.
earlier writ petition, where Lordship they have implemented and they have also questioned the Jolty message again here also.
Hmm.
And in IA Lordship, they seeking the stay of that very Jolty message.
Hmm.
Whereas in respect of the same Jolty message, Lordship has already passed order that it will be subject to outcome of the writ petition. This is the first writ petition, and this Jolty message was issued after filing of this writ petition.
Why don't you file the affidavit of opposition in the main case?
I will do.
Let them file lordship. In the meantime, I may file rejoinder to this also lordship.
But we will list along with that matter.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes,
It is, no, Mr. Deepang, Learned Counsel for the private respondents has filed his objection to the IA, to which Mr.
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the applicant, seeks 3 weeks time to file affidavit in
Not 3 weeks, lordship. It may be 1 week.
2 weeks time to file reply to the objection. Mr. Pray for the applicant is allowed. Mr. Accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks so as to enable the applicant to file the reply in the IA. Reply to the objection filed in IA number what?
161,
161.
2025.
Huh?
2025.
2025. List the matter along with writ petition
WPC 315, 2024.
315 2024.
Or do so like or be.
There are more cases.
The prayer in
That is,
my both the petitions are different lordship. Prayer in both the petitions are different. So
But ultimately, you are
have to be
seeking
better
proportional.
that matter also may be taken with this lordship.
List this
I shall
matter
give my
along with
numbers.
WPC, you just give the number.
Yes.
All the writ petition.
Yes,
Okay.
all the come together.
We'll consider and dispose of.
Fourteen is also, it is on the same lines. In fact, the rule was changed, amended. At my behest, I filed a writ petition before this honorable challenging the virus of the rules. In the meantime, government took action to amend the rules. I have not been made a party. I'm filing an IA today.
Okay.
Lordship.
Heard Mr.
It's regarding the
Learned
small
Counsel
saving
for the
department.
please.
Yes.
On the prayer of Mr. Deepang Learned Council. IA for what?
For implement.
Okay.
It was at my behest the rules were changed and I've not
no,
made a party.
Mr. Deepang Learned Council is granted 2 weeks time to file appropriate
Fine,
application.
no, man.
But you have not been implemented.
I will implement myself. I was just pointing out. I've already filed today.
And who submits that? Yes, filed an application for, he has filed an application for implement today.
Yes.
In view, let this matter be listed after a week.
But
Yes.
Well, this is relating to land dispute case. Item number.
So what we should do? What can we do if it is a land dispute?
My lord,
Go to civil court.
yes, ma'am. There is a, my lord, government notification.
It's a land dispute.
Yes, madam. And we are challenging that notification matter.
Okay. No affidavit,
Lordship, affidavits
Lord-
all have been filed long ago, Lordship. I prayed it because
but this
I have
item
instruction to Lordship.
57, 2020.
After the interim Lordship,
Huh.
the petitioners, they are building the boundaries, other more activities, Lordship. Continuously, Lordship.
What
That's
is,
why
what is the interim order?
interim
In item, this writ petition 57.
in 270 also, in 57 also, Lordship.
57, there is no affidavit. No affidavit has been filed on behalf of respondent 5 and 6.
Your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 5
5 and 6.
and 6.
So you need
Your lordship,
sometime, you need
client
some time to file affidavit.
no, your lordship. Your lordship, client who is respondent number 5 in the present case is out of station for 1 week.
So,
Lordship,
So, your lordship, further time may be given for the filing of affidavit.
that's why I was saying you need time to file an affidavit. We'll write this.
Lord,
we have filed
You have already filed.
long time.
Okay, we'll one by one. Huh?
my lord,
Heard Mr. Esquire,
adjournment may not
learned
be granted
counsel.
more than 2 weeks, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner in this, item what? Let's see, writ petition 57. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent 5 and 6. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in the opposition. Then contempt is what?
Contempt is for non-compliance of this honorable court order, my lord.
Okay, so
But let this matter also be fixed along with the.
then what you
other-
are submitting?
Lordship, in contempt, I am not there.
No, what you have submitted?
Lordship, I have the instruction to Lordship, take up this matter as early as possible.
Yes, so,
That's why, Lordship, I wanted it to,
no, you said
Since
something
they-
that after the interim order, they have started construction.
yes, boundary.
Where
walls
is there?
and
Which case the interim order is there?
interim order, Lordship, in
Which
this one,
case?
270.
270. Yes. Which order?
Lordship now,
Petition agreed by so and district magistrate laws by which it was the executive magistrate down will visit the area along police station meant for to demolish the illegal owners. And the industry is a problem, is not a government. This order is 0408/2022 is an order by the district magistrate to visit the area and evict and demolish the illegal.
My lord, the status quo.
You
order-
don't make any construction.
No, not yet, not now, my lord.
no, may not be now, but then they have already completed the boundary.
Completed.
They have completed
No,
After,
no,
after the interim, Lordship, even in this one, 57, they have sent me a, Lordship, letter asking me to file
What?
contempt, Lordship. Then
what is about that? क्या चीज है?
Yeah, Naran,
Huh?
Naran.
क्या चीज है?
And after that,
63.
continuously, they are sending me letters to Lordship, wrap up these matters as early as possible because
The status quo order.
Yes, madam. That was passed after visiting of the executive magistrate, madam. That order was passed after visiting of the executive magistrate. When the order was passed for demolition.
No, this court has passed a status quo order
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
in IA 2506.
Yes, madam.
2020. You maintain a status quo.
Yes, I'm maintaining, madam. I'm maintaining.
He is maintaining.
I'm maintaining.
Lordship, after
Yes, I'm maintaining.
You write all this thing. And next
And,
270.
Other cases, they are
Yes.
also analogous matter, my lord.
analogous
So,
matter.
so it may be passed similar order, my lord.
Hmm.
For filing affidavit.
Is that as file, Lordship,
Ah.
long time back, we have filed and we are saying that this is the completely government land. And then they have a Lordship, not only small encroachment, they are making lots of large encroachments, making it a garden, Lordship. What garden? Fruit garden and all.
You just heard so and so, so and so. You are not appearing in 270.
No, he is appearing in all cases.
No, I'm not appearing only.
Same order in all the
Same order,
cases.
same order, same order.
List after 3 weeks. We'll say
Yes,
3 weeks or 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship,
it is possible to file affidavit within 2 weeks.
then
Weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
2
2
weeks,
weeks.
that will do.
Then
2 weeks. Can you file the affidavit within 2 weeks?
2 weeks like चाहिए ना you आप जैसा बोला 3 weeks चाहिए. अरे बोल
Lordship,
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
weeks.
It's okay. 3 weeks.
oblige matter.
Wait, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Your Lordship may not like to take up this matter.
Hmm.
Similar issues when your Lordship was on this side.
Hmm.
I was at Ashburn. This
Ah.
is regarding, my lord, whether without making amendment to the rules,
Ha.
promotions can be denied. These are
Acha.
those issues.
Okay. List this matter before any other appropriate ones without me.
21, my lord, I seek some more time to file a reply, my lord.
A reply
Yes, affidavit of 4 and 5.
on the prayer Mr. Deepangan counsel for the petition. 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply.
Let it be 3 weeks, man.
3 weeks.
Oblige.
Yes, contempt.
yes, Lordship, here also, in the writ petition, Lordship.
Hmm.
If contempt, page 15, if your Lordship see page 15, the Honorable Court's order,
Page
15, my affidavit, Lordship.
of what? Contempt.
Contempt, Lordship.
Hmm.
Oh, no,
Page 15.
page
Yes.
15.
Hmm.
Lordship, having regard to the provision of section 34A of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, in the interim it is hereby directed that no coercive action should be taken against the petitioner without the leave of this conduct. Petitioners are also directed not to make any development or changes on the plot of land occupied by them. But then, Lordship, they continued to build 3 stories or 4-story building, Lordship, in the petition, we have given the photographs also. And then in the reply, they just said that after interim, they were under the impression that they were allowed to go ahead with the construction. The persons who are already litigating against the state, how can they have the lordship? The understanding that there is interim means that they are asked to go ahead, lordship.
They filed their reply.
They have filed the reply, lordship.
Yes, where's the reply?
Lordship, yes, this may be post for admission hearing, lordship, next week, even in this matter.
Yes.
Because this is within the wildlife sanctuary, lordship.
Yes, you have filed the affidavit.
Yes, my lordship.
So what is your ground? Stand.
The conducting council has.
Huh?
Last time the council for the.
You are for contemner,
Yes,
alleged contemner.
yes.
So what is your stand? Appears to be a clear case of contempt.
Actually, my senior has
Who is your senior?
Arsunar.
Huh?
Arsunar. So
We're
he's-
taking up next week.
Yes, next
Ah.
week, lordship, because last
the-
last time they took adjournment, I consented that, and he fixed this debt himself, lordship. This debt is given by the petitioner only, this contemner only, today's date is.
he's out of station because. of
Next
some
week.
difficulties. After 2 weeks,
Lordship, that may not be next week, lordship.
next week.
Because
Again, same thing will happen, madam. They'll say out of station. It's a contempt matters, madam. We're in a contempt jurisdiction. Don't take it lightly.
Pardon me.
Of course, all the cases are serious. I mean, they're important, but then there is certain areas where you have to be more serious. It simply says that I've wrongly, I mean, or wrong, I mean, misconstrued the order and all those things. It will not be enough.
yes, 20 page.
Next week, next
Okay.
week.
Okay,
Are you sure? After a week, huh? The alleged contemner, one person.
Lordship, 2 persons.
How many contemners?
two persons.
The alleged contemners have filed their reply to the contempt petition. This stuff as agreed as on the prayer of Miss MS
M. Jarang,
M. London Council for appearing on behalf of Mr.
Arsunar.
Arson London Council, the alleged contemner, this matter after a week.
Much.
Much obliged.
May please, your lordship, may kindly grant us 3 weeks time, 3 more.
Hmm?
3 weeks, 3 more weeks time, your lordship.
What is the matter?
Your Honor, this is matter related to issuance of the LPC, land possession certificate, LPC. After approval of this land passbook and land, this non-issuance of the sky map along with this land passbook. Your Honor, it was already department and the government have approved on 25/9/18. After that also the petitioner has been not issued the LPC.
Yes, it's the approval in the year 2018.
2018.
Why this has been, have you
No, I have. not
cancelled the
received-
approval
Yes,
or recall the approval?
we have not received the
It's a
instruction.
simple matter. Why you are
Yes, yeah.
necessarily keeping it pending?
Otherwise, your lordship, for disposal of representation, that can be done.
No, yeah.
Representation we cannot. Either will direct you to issue passbook.
Yes.
Okay, heard Mr. So-and-so, learn concept for the petitioner. On the prayer of Miss MS
Team.
P. Sangeeta.
P. Sangeeta, London State Council. Further 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Huh?
You know, it may be
Okay.
mentioned that last chance may be given for to file affidavits because
You
it has
file.
been, it
If
has
you
been
cannot
pending.
file, you just take the instruction
Okay.
in writing, whatever is there. We'll dispose it.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Naroon sa tumala kayo ng dia tanya ko wapis ni dia. Ha. Ha. Item naroon sa tumala kayo. 57
या में नहीं है कुछ भी
कोई फाइल में हो फाइल में डाल दे
फाइल में आइटम उसको बोल दीजिए
15 to 18 में ना हम लोग मेरा ना मेरा application देखो
हाँ
हाँ